Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mostasim Billah. I am from Bogura, currently residing at Yunus Khan Scholar Garden 2, Daffodil Smart City, Sabar, Dhaka. I am pursuing a bachelor degree in software engineering at Daffodil International University, where I am continuously building my creative and technical skill set. I have completed my secondary school certificate at Sihali High School with GPA 4.89 and completed my higher secondary school certificate with GPA 5.0 at Police Science School and College, Bogura. This experience laid a strong foundation for my journey in software engineering. In my school and college life, I have participated in many extracurricular activities like Science Olympiad, Bangla Olympiad, Math Olympiad, etc. Now I have hands-on experience in programming languages like C, Java, Python, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. One of my notable projects is car maintenance system, and my another project is Smart Beanbot, a fully automated dustbin that integrates robotics to solve everyday problems. Apart from programming, I have skill in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator and Canva, and I have worked on various design projects. I am also an enthusiast in cybersecurity field. In my university life, I have participated in many workshops, seminars, cultural activities such as orientation program, engineering summit, and programming contests. I am an active member of Software Engineering Club. I am committed to lifelong learning and recently completed some courses on employability skill and leadership quality, boss versus leader. Currently, I am working with an organization as an associate member called Youth for Better Future Society. This organization helps students for building their desired career. I am a fast learner, always eager to adapt and grow with new challenges. I am excited to bring my skill and passion to new opportunities, where I can make a meaningful impact. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.